Hi, welcome back to our TV channel. I'm still working on the series on cake, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make chocolate cake. Preheat the oven to about 180 degrees. Preheat means just to turn it on before you start the cake to get it ready and to the correct temperature. I'm going to use the creamy method. I'll pop the margarine into the bowl, throw in the sugar and mix for about 3 to 5 minutes. Spread down the cake mixture from the sides of the bowl for even mixing. I've got 200 grams of eggs, that's about 4 eggs, an average of 50 grams per egg. Whisk the egg. I'm going to flavor with a teaspoon of vanilla. You can use any flavoring of your choice, orange, lemon, anything that you have in your kitchen. Strain the egg into the mixture on slow speed. Add a little bit of nutmeg, half a spoon of baking powder. I've got 200 grams of flour ready, so I'm adding 100 grams of cocoa powder. You can use melted chocolate, dark chocolate if you prefer, but for this video I'm just going to use cocoa powder. About 100 grams. Pour the flour and the cocoa powder into the cake mix. I'm going to strain down about 50 ml of skimmed milk into the mixture. Prepare the cake pan with a little bit of cake margarine, veg oil or butter. You can also buy one of those spray cans that you just spray. Or you can line your cake pan with some cake baking sheets. This is to prevent the cake from sticking to the pan. There are also some latest pans that are non-stick that you can buy. If you have excess fat in your cake pan, you can just sprinkle with a little bit of flour and shake out to remove the excess oil. Place the butter into the cake pan. Level up the butter, the cake mixture with a spatula and bake in an oven, preheated oven, for about 20 minutes at 180 degrees. The cake is now ready, and I'm going to put it on a cake tray to cool down. I'm going to cut a little bit piece to show you the outcome of the chocolate cake. It's now a bit cool. No, it's still hot, but for the purpose of the video, that's what it should be like. Nice and juicy. Enjoy.